How to find pinch to zoom settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pinch to zoom settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner and after you click on it, just click settings. Here you will find it and click this one, web page view and scrolling. And now here you will find it, pinch to zoom in or out of web pages. You can manage it just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.